Energy-efficient windows, Austin TX, are a crucial investment for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Austin Window Insulation Services offer a range of options, including double-glazed windows, Austin and triple-pane windows, Austin TX, to enhance thermal performance and energy efficiency. Window replacement is a popular choice for those seeking to upgrade their homes with energy-saving windows. Austin window replacement experts provide comprehensive services to ensure a seamless transition to new, high-performance windows. By choosing energy performance windows, Austin homeowners can enjoy significant savings on their energy bills while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of their homes. Low-E glass Austin installation is a smart choice for those looking to improve window efficiency. This type of glass features a special coating that reflects heat and UV rays, reducing the need for air conditioning and protecting interior furnishings from fading. Austin window efficiency solutions include a variety of options, such as insulated glass units, Austin and Energy Star Windows Austin, to meet the diverse needs of homeowners. Window sealing is an essential aspect of maintaining energy-efficient windows Austin TX. Proper sealing prevents drafts and air leaks, ensuring optimal thermal performance. Austin Window Sealing Services offer expert solutions to enhance window insulation and improve overall energy efficiency. Window weatherproofing. Austin is another critical service that protects windows from the elements, extending their lifespan and performance. Window tinting is a popular option for those seeking additional window UV protection and heat reduction. Austin TX. Austin window tinting specialists provide a range of tinting solutions that not only improve energy efficiency, but also enhance privacy and reduce glare. Window energy audits. Austin can help homeowners identify areas for improvement and implement effective window energy solutions. Austin TX. Window retrofitting. Austin TX is an excellent option for those looking to upgrade existing windows without a full replacement. This process involves adding energy-efficient features to current windows, such as window glazing and window sealing, to improve their performance. Austin Window Glazing Services offer a variety of options to enhance window thermal performance and energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows Austin TX are available in various styles and configurations to suit any home. From traditional double-glazed windows Austin to advanced triple-pane windows Austin TX, there are options to meet every need and budget. Austin Window Installation Services provide expert guidance and installation to ensure optimal performance and satisfaction. Window upgrades. Austin TX can significantly enhance the energy performance of a home. By investing in energy-saving windows, Austin homeowners can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable future. Insulated glass units, Austin and Energy Star Windows Austin are just a few of the options available to improve window energy ratings and overall efficiency. Window energy audits Austin are a valuable tool for identifying areas where improvements can be made. These audits assess the current state of windows and provide recommendations for enhancing energy efficiency. Austin Window Energy Solutions offer a range of options, from window heat reduction Austin TX to window UV protection, to help homeowners achieve their energy-saving goals.